Did you feel the earthquake last night?
Earthquake. Yes, it was a big one. I was sitting on the couch watching TV, and the couch started to shake. What were you doing?
I was taking a shower. I wrapped myself in a towel and ran out of the bathroom.
That must have been scary.
For sure. I checked the news. The government said the earthquake was 4.9 on the Richter scale, and its epicenter was off the coast of Hualien.
Richter scale. Epicenter. Wow, that's a big one. I'm glad nobody got hurt and no buildings collapsed. Collapse.
Me too.
Oh my! Do you feel that?
This must be an aftershock. Stay calm and let's get outside.
Aftershock. Let's go.
Wow, that's crazy. Where am I going to go if you go out that way?